All right, guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a camshaft in your Coleman ct100u, or I'm pretty sure it's about the same process for any of these small engines. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I've got another video of me taking this engine apart, so make sure you go back and check that out if you haven't already. So once you get to this point right here where you're about to install your new cam, this is so simple, guys. I mean, this is literally the easiest cam swap you could ever possibly do. With your new cam, now I got this new racing cam. It's actually a custom grind, high lift racing cam that was spec'd out by Affordable Go-Karts, so shout out to them for working with me to get the profile that I wanted. So this cam is set up just for drag racing, and it has much stronger cog on it than the factory one. The factory cam that was in this had a plastic cog on it, and had really sharp points on the lobes. These lobes are a lot smoother and a higher lift, and just an overall stronger cam altogether. But anyways, what you'll notice is there's a little dot on the cam gear, and there is a little dot right here on your crank gear. It is so simple. You literally make sure this is all lubed up good. You insert this portion of your cam, the cam nose I'll call it, down into this little hole right here. And then you make sure that these dots are lined up. That's it. That's as simple as it gets. So let's get to it. All right, guys, there you go. The cam is installed. That's pretty much it. And as you can see, our little dot here and our little dot here are lined up, so our cam timing should be good. So there is our cam swap, our racing cam swap for our little miniature 8th mile drag bike, the Pea Shooter. Stay tuned though, guys, because next we're going to be installing a billet flywheel and a racing head.